USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is used to connect devices, transfer data, and provide power. We use USB with smartphones, tablets, chargers, TVs, cars, and many other electronic devices. There are different types of USB cables. Each type is designed for a specific purpose. USB Type A. It is the most common and the oldest USB connector. It has a rectangular shape. You usually find it on computers, laptops, TVs, and wall chargers. Many USB cables have Type A on one end. USB Type B. It is larger in size and mainly used for printers and some scanners. It is not common in daily devices, but it is still widely used in offices. Micro USB. It was widely used in older smartphones and other small electronic devices. It supports charging and data transfer. However, it is slower, and it is not reversible. USB Type-C, which is the modern USB connector. It is small and reversible, so you can plug it in either direction. You can find USB Type-C on new smartphones, laptops, and tablets. Depending on the cable and the device, USB Type-C can support faster data transfer and higher power delivery.